Hi, today we are going to learn about how to build the AI agentic fitness planner, and this is the demo, the quick demo I was built. And first we'll go for the demo, and later we will go for how to implementing this agent using the open source libraries. And I will give you the very quick demo on how it will work. And now let's see, like I will give you the weight of some random weight and so height and weight of 80 kgs, giving the other random details. And then I will go for generating the response. Oh, sorry, I didn't need to start my Ollama server. Looks, yep. Let me quickly check it. So now it's running. Now we can see it is generating the fitness planner for you based on what are the information you are given. And also we have the multiple other options. You can see like activity levels. It is I was added the 4 to 5, and also the fitness goals. Also you can choose your lose weight, and also the you want to stay the fit, and there is a multiple options is available. Similarly for the dietary preference also I was added the multiple. Now it is connecting to the our backend fitness planner, and it is going to the our LLM models to access and get the perfect fitness plan for you. Now you can see like it is generated the response. It is generated a response, and you can see there is a couple of sessions. One is like the your personalized diet plans, and also you have to see here the important consideration what you have to consider when you are doing the fitness plan. And here also you can see the your meals plan, and also the breakfast and mid, and we are dividing into the multiple ways. And also you can see here the goals you want to do, like when you started the workout and what you have to do the every warm up, and also later you can see. And also we are providing the everyday planner for you uh, to quickly follow. This is application I was built with the help of the fitness with the help of the LLM agents. And now we will go into the details about the how to build this agent and what are the prerequisites is required to build this agent. And just now explaining about there is a different activity levels, right? You can choose like the different activity levels, and also you can generate the response based on the different activity level. So now I will go for stay fit, and different I will choose this one, and then I'm click on the generate response. So it will be generated based upon the whatever the options I chose it. And you can play with this with the multiple options, and also you can validate it. But yeah, the everything all the response is coming how I was set it. And also you can see here options like LLM keys, and these options I provided because of if this the agent can supporting the multiple LLMs, not only the open source one. Also if you want to integrating with your OpenAI and AWS and different the LLM providers you want to integrate, then you have to pass your API keys and connecting to the different LLMs. Because of the reason I was added here, and currently I'm using like Ollama, and from there I'm using that Llama 3.2. So this everything is a open source one, and also I was deployed in my locally I hosted, so I don't need the any API key. But for running this application I have to pass some kind of dummy API key. You see here, this is my API key is a dummy, it's nothing to work. And just now we choose a different options. You see here our diet plans also will change based upon the plans what we choose, and also our fitness plans also will change. You see here earlier it is like 5 to 10 minutes of warm up, and then we have to go for the directly the workouts. And now you can see here our warm up plans is changed, and also our the workouts plans also changed because you choose a different options. So this is the app. It's very quicker to build and very few lines of the code. Now if you want to build this application, definitely I will go through that how you have to build it. Then maybe if you get any issue, just add me in the comments and I can help you to resolve you. And first, this is my repository where I push my all the agent related stuff. And if you click here, you can go to the my repository agents I added in the ping list, so easy for you to I added in the ping list, so easy for you to quickly get into the repository. So once you go to the repository, then I was giving some kind of the very high level about, and also I build the different type of the agents. Maybe I will explaining in the my upcoming tutorials. And also I given the prerequisites like Python 3.12, but it's not a mandatory, but as of now I'm using the Python 3.12, so I added here, and also the poetry and Ollama. Ollama is helpful for you to host your models and locally and available for you to connect it. And the poetry where we are creating the virtual environments. So this is the only prerequisites you needed. And I added the reference links. If you want to install those libraries, if you are new to Python, then you can click on these libraries. So you will get the instructions to how to install the corresponding libraries. So let's quickly jump into the our healthcare fitness agent. And you can see here, and also I provided the readme file also to better understanding about what is this agent and how it will work, and I will give the instructions to how to build and start the application. Let's quickly jump, like just after you clone it, then I'm using the VS code for my all the projects. Then I will once you clone it, and then you can navigate into the your corresponding folder where you clone it. Let me check quickly. Then here I was in here the root folder of a healthcare fitness app repository. Then already let me go into the let me run this poetry shell. So then it is switching to the my corresponding virtual environment, which is created by poetry. So then poetry just I will install. Let me check, like, is there anything I need to install? It will install all the dependencies which is required for you, but I already all my dependencies already installed. That's why it is showing that no installation is found. Then once you installation, then you can run the application. Very simple, like just go to the debug folder and just click on this debug file. It will start your applications locally. Let me quickly check why this is error. Okay, yeah, it is started here because it is started previously. So from here you can start. Just now I was given the quick demo. So once you added the any key, like it's not about the dummy. If you add 1 2 3 4 whatever it is, just you need to add some kind of string here, so it will start working here. And so you can give the different options and generate the personalized recommendation. It will generate for you. Let me go through the I was build it and how I was build it. And here you see, like, I'm using the streamlit library to build this the UI. UI is not much nicer. Maybe we can refactor based on our needs. Like just now I was made it for the only explorative purpose, and you can I'm happy to if someone is contributed make my UI is very nicer. And then this all related to the UI component. And here you can see here display the uh, diet plans, right? Maybe once you click this one, just I'm going with the default values. You can see, like, if you remember, like when we I displaying the response, there is a two tabs. One is the diet plans and one is the fitness plans, and this are the response is displaying from here. So if you want to do any kind of the changes in UI, and may come here and do the necessary changes, and here it will be reflected on my code. But if it comes to the agenting part, like I'm using let me explain about my dependencies what I was added here. The PyData I was using, so PyData is providing the both integrating with the multiple models and agents and LLM access. So as of now it is open source, so I'm using the PyData. So it's easy. We don't need to do any kind of huge configurations, and we don't need to pay the any kind of the playground setup charges. That's why I was using all open sources. And also the Ollama, this Ollama is just now explaining, it is providing, it is easy to spin the LLMs and providing the endpoints very quickly, and also easy. You don't need to do the much steps. If you needed the Ollama how it will be work, maybe just I will quickly explain, like just if you want to run the any application, just you pull the Ollama, then you can just like Ollama, just you can pull and give the necessary model name, it will run for you. That's easier it is. So just you can spin any model whatever you wanted. Then a streamlet I was using for the UI to display content in the UI. So let's go here the way related to the agents is here. You see here this agent I was built it, and agent I was importing from the py agent. So the pi is also the pi data is also providing the agents and models. So I'm using the pi agent, and then I was giving the necessary informations. Here the models is LLM model is nothing but if you let me quickly check, the LLM model is I was configured the Ollama to here. Yeah, you see here, this is like my Llama 2 model I used for this fitness planner, and I done here initialization. Then I'm using the same model for the multiple. First, like you see here, I was using the diet planner agent and then the fitness agent. So then when I that, so here my diet plan agent, I was giving the instructions are very clearly. So like best you can see here instructions, this is clearly indicating about how the diet plans has to be defined. Here again I was asking about the this all the system instructions I was providing related to the my fitness. So when you want to the instructions, what instructions you are passing to the agent, that is the most important. You always like take care about instruction stuff here. So maybe like once you going through this one, then maybe better you can read this all instructions, you will get the more knowledge about how I build this one. And also here the agent, like after is here is like I was passing the user profile, whatever the information we are getting from the UI, like just now what are the information you pass it here, I was reading from the request, then I'm passing here. If you want to know like how I was reading, let me quickly and I can go here. Here you see when I was passing the input, I was reading the information from the streamlet, reading this all information, then I was converting this everything into the string, then I was passing this information to the my first my diet agent, then I will get the diet plans, then I was passing to my fitness agent, then I will get the my fitness plan details, then I'm adding these two information into the streamlet. Look, this is how easy and how easy to interacting with the LLMs based on your specific needs. So here you clearly observe I was using the same model. There is no difference in the what the LLM I'm using, but it is behaving the different because of the my instructions what I was passing. And also I was clearly defining this is for the diet and this is for the fitness. So in the future maybe you can do the similar stuff, and also you can, this will help you to improve also. Quick uh, going through about my agent, and also you will see like how easy for us to build this kind of agents. And also you will get the answers on top of like whatever the recommendations it is getting, right? So here I got the recommendations, so I want to get, ask any kind of the questions on top of my recommendations. So I can ask like maybe can you explain more about my fitness, more about my fitness plan, and then again you will get the response on top of the your fitness plan. You see when you are asking this one, then this piece of the code will work for you. So again I was using the same model, and then I was like reading the, now here I was reading the content from the previous, right? When the previous agent is displaying the fitness content here, it is generating response and displaying into the streamlet, and from there I was reading the full content from the streamlet, and then I was passing to the another agent to get the proper response about my full context. Now it see it is explaining more about what the fitness and how it will work, and it will give the more content than the previous response. How it is getting the more content means just like it's reading the full context here. You see here I was passing the full context here, the full context I'm reading this context from where like the diets plan, just know whatever we displaying, right? That's full content I'm passing to here. Then I'm asking about the questions on top of the context. So here I will get the full information. If you have the any Q and yes on top of the generated diet or fitness plans, you can ask, then it will answer based upon the context what it is recommended. Yeah, that's about like about our agents, and here I was explaining about how to generate the how to generate your personalized plans, and then how to get your answers also. This is a way our the fitness planner will work. And if you want the more and the more information you want, just you can reach out me in my channel. I can help you to uh, work on this one if you get any issues and setup anywhere local. Thank you.